the idea to expose the fellows of the IFI project and also fellows of the 4U Plus to understand what are the problems in industry and how to tackle and solve these problems in just translating these problems into terms of mathematics or computer science.
The IFI point of view, our central topic is really to bring together students from the physics side and from the computing side. And of course this event here is an excellent opportunity for that. And what we bring together there makes actually sense, because on the physics side we have really exciting data that we want to understand deeper. On the machine learning side we have excellent techniques, and so merging these is just a very straightforward idea.
From the industry side, as we present we are represented in many different projects, we have many different ideas and challenges to bring different sources of data with different aspects in terms of needs and work processes without a specific solution behind it.
This ITT because of the industry collaboration, and I wanted to see how SAP and Innova works, and what are the research questions and what kind of real world problems they solve using mathematics and machine learning.
I had the opportunity to be part of many hackathons, but ITT is very different from an hackathon. You have the opportunity here to talk to experts from the real world.
It was very nice to challenge each other within the team. Overall, I think it's something you should also try and then get inspired for your research.
And I'm really happy that I was at the ITT this week, because it was actually our first project that we worked together, and that we were able to engage into different things that we are usually doing.